Hello, students of class 9. Today I will be solving some problem sums of linear simultaneous equations, that is exercise 5.7. Some sums already I have done in online class and in offline classes also, and now I am doing some students told me to do number 7. That one I am doing first. What is that? Lalima and Ramin, okay, done some together. Lalima works for 4 days and Ramin works for 3 days. Then if they will work together, then 2/3 of the work is completed. Again if Lalima works for 3 days and Ramin works for 6 days, and if they will work together, then 11/12 part of the total work will be completed. Then write down the equation and solve that how many days will be required separately for Lalima and Ramin to complete the work. Okay, first I am considering it. Lalima takes X days to complete the work. And Ramin take Y days to complete the work. To complete the work means, to complete full work means one part. Clear? So to complete one part, Lalima takes X days. So in X days, Lalima completes one part of the work. So in 4 days, what part of work will be completed by Lalima? 4 by X. I am doing here same. If anyone in X days complete or does one part, or one part is full work. So in one day, that person will do 1 by X part here, and in 4 days it will be 4 by X part. Okay. Similarly, for the case of Ramin completes the work in Y days. That means in Y days, Ramin does one part of the work. So in 3 days, Ramin will do 3 by Y part of the work. Clear? Now I have to frame the equation. According to the problem, it is told that if they will, Lalima works for 4 days and Ramin works for 3 days together, then they will complete 2/3 part of the work. So first equation will be 4 by X plus 3 by Y equals to 2/3 of the work. This is my equation number 1. Second equation, if they will, if Lalima does for 3 days or works for 3 days and Ramin for 6 days together, then they will complete the work of the 11/12 part of the work. So again 3 by X plus 6 by Y equals to 11 by 12. This is my equation number 2. Now we have to solve. What method I will apply here? I have told you that elimination method is the easiest method. Okay. So you know now how to solve the elimination method. Here I want both are plus. Here also both are plus. So anyone will eliminate. I am making this variable, this constant set. Here it is 3, here it is 6. So I will multiply equation number 1 by 2 and equation number 2 by 1. Then it will become same. First one, it is coming 8 by x plus 6 by y equals to 4 by 3. Second one, multiplying by 1 means same, you will copy. Okay, then we will subtract. Subtract, the sign will be changed. This will be cancelled out. Now 8 by x minus 3 by x, that means 5 by x, 8 minus 3. And here write down 4 by 3 minus 11 by 12. What is the LCM? 12. So 16 minus 11 or 5 by x equals to 5 by 16 minus 11, 5, 5 by 12, 5, 5 we can cancel. Therefore, x equals to 12. So, we have got how many days Lalima took to complete the work separately. So, Lalima has taken 12 days. Let's check the answer. 5. Exercise 5.7. Number 7. Yes, Lalima took 12 days. I have got x. Now you know we have to find out the value of y. So first we will put the value of x in equation number 2. This is my equation number 2. Putting x equals to 12 in equation 2. So x 12 minus 1 by 4. 12 is the LCM. By 12. Then cross multiply and divide by 8. Ramen took 9 days. So your answer will be, I am not writing the answer, you will write down the answer separately, that Lalima took 12 days and Ramen took 9 days to complete the work separately. Clear? Now you will get next one in next video.